So I'll start very simply because I get asked this question a lot about like what is care, and I think we all know what it means to care for others. But feminist scholars describe care work as work, as important work that sustains life and encompasses everything that makes our existence, human existence, possible. And also makes it possible for us to actually participate in the labor force in the first place. So things like childcare, cooking, cleaning, collecting water, firewood, etc., caring for the sick, caring for the elderly. But care also extends beyond just human-to-human relationships. It includes environmental care, which is also caring for the environment, caring for our ecosystems, caring for the planet. And much of this care work, whether it's human or environmental, is extremely gendered, and it falls disproportionately on women and girls. And this work is very indispensable, but it remains unpaid, undervalued, and largely invisible in policy making. And hopefully we can change that soon.